In this video, I'll be showing you how to reinstall Windows 11 and factory reset your device on your ROG Xbox Ally X. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you gotta do is hold down your Xbox button and switch from Xbox full screen experience to Windows desktop. Now, bear in mind when you do this, it's definitely recommended to have a keyboard and mouse connected, or at the very least, a mouse. Now, what you wanna do from here is just go to search on the bottom, and then you want to open up your keyboard so you can open up your command center again using the command center button, scrolling down, then pressing keyboard. Now from here, type in reset. Then when you type in reset, you're going to see a lot of different options, but you're going to see reset this PC as the first option under system settings. Now, all you got to do is go to reset this PC, choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. So you can either keep your files or remove everything if you want to as well. It's up to you which way you want to go ahead and do it. But if you want to remove everything, you can do that, and it's going to reinstall everything, and you're going to have to reinstall Windows again. But it's as simple as that. You are going to have to be in Windows mode to do this. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out our other ROG Xbox Ally X videos on this channel.